So, welcome to the day 3 of Healing Session Bootcamp. And we are going to not only learn more about healing today, but we are also going to experience what healing is. So, please type in the chat box if you were present in last 2 days and did you experience anything. Please type in the chat box where are you joining from and did you experience anything. I'm waiting for your answers before I start. Please be interactive in the sessions because it is very necessary, because there is always a exchange of energies when we are attending some sessions, when we are taking healings, there is always an exchange of energy. So I really want you to be interactive and keep typing in the chat box so I can understand that how was your experience from last 2 days. And if you are the first timer, you're joining today only. Yes, so somebody is writing, you could not join yesterday. So Neha, did you join yesterday or day one you were there? Did you experience anything? Thank you so much for typing in. So please be so much interactive so I can also connect with you and understand that what exactly you are going through in your life so I can really help you. So thank you so much for joining in today. And as mentioned on the day one, I am Simran, I am from Delhi, and I am your Ho'oponopono and EFT healer over here. I help people to come out of their traumas, come out of their problems with the help of these healing modalities. I also work on manifestation. I'm also a manifestation coach. I help you to manifest your dream life. But manifesting also needs healing. That is the reason the main focus is healing over here. So let's understand that how healing can actually help you to come out of your situation. So, as discussed on the day one, we have talked about two healing modalities till now. The first one was Ho'oponopono technique, and the second one was EFT technique. So, as you have not joined yesterday, I will just repeat in short in 2 minutes that what exactly we did in last 2 days. So, Ho'oponopono is the technique in which we are using 4 phrases. The 4 phrases are I am sorry, please forgive me, thank you, and I love you. You must have seen these phrases on the YouTube videos, but understanding the process, that how exactly the healing works and how exactly these 4 phrases can help us healing in any situation of our life. We have also discussed that why healing is necessary, because we are carrying a lot of traumas in our life, we are carrying a lot of negative thoughts, negative beliefs, which are holding us back from moving ahead in our life. So healing actually clears your subconscious mind with the help of all these 4 lines, and we create the new reality with the help of manifestation techniques. So first, what we are doing over here is we are trying to heal ourselves. Healing also works on the 4 pillars of our life. The 4 pillars are our health, relationship, our career, and money. So, if in any of these areas you are suffering with any problem, you can type in the chat box so I can come to know that which area of life you are suffering right now. Please type in the chat box for which area you really want to heal, that area you really want to move forward. Is it your job or business, or is it your relationships, or is it your career, or sometimes it is also money? Yes, so Kumarji says health. Thank you so much for being so interactive in the session. And as you just mentioned, health, so we have done the healing of health on day one and day two as well. So today also, as the energy of the group says me that I need to work on the health part only, so we will be doing the healing for the health only. And it will be a different experience for you. Today we are going to the second modality that we have spoken yesterday was emotional freedom technique. Emotional freedom technique means EFT. How EFT helps us? It has 14 meridian points in our body. As we have discussed on the day one, and I have explained you about 14 meridian points, these are called the meridian points where the energy goes and gets stuck. So we really want that energy to move from that part so we can actually move forward in our life. You must have seen in our houses, if we are not cleaning our houses, the corners of the house get a lot of webs and other things, all the dust is there. Most of the time, the corners are not clean. And why these corners are not clean? Because there is a turning over there. So these kind of turnings are there in our body. The meridian points are kind of turnings in our body where the energy goes and gets stuck. So I really want you to understand that if we are going to work on these corners of our body, we are going to release those energy over here. So let's start with the 14 meridian points and understand that what are these points. So the first point of your meridian is this karate chop point, which is the side of your hand. So we start tapping from this point and we start releasing that energy. We start talking that what is the problem going on in our body, and then we keep just tapping on those points. The second point is on your head, wherein we start tapping like this and we start talking. What we have to say, these are the three lines that we have to say while we are doing this healing. The first line is, I love myself. Because maximum of the time we have forgotten to love our own self. Maximum of the time we don't accept our own self, and that is also one of the reasons we are facing a lot of issues in our life. So the three lines that you have to say is, I love myself, I respect myself, and I accept myself the way I am now. These are the three lines which we have to repeat when we are doing the tapping on these 14 points. So second point is this one. The third point is on your eyebrows. We keep on tapping and saying these lines. The fourth point is the side of your eyes. And the fifth point is on the cheeks. The sixth point is under the nose. The seventh point is under your lips, the chin. The seventh point is on the collarbone, because a lot of emotions get stuck on the collarbone and on your chest. So we keep on tapping on these points. The next point is under your arms. We keep on tapping and keep on saying these lines. And when we are doing the healing, I will be guiding you for how you have to do it. And the next point is on the side of the thumb. While tapping on the fingers, we are not going to tap on the ring finger because this finger is directly connected to our heart. So we don't tap on this finger. We are going to tap on the last small finger, and the last one is the second hand karate chop point. So we tap over here to release that stuck energy and let the energy flow in our body. So the third modality that we are going to learn today is the gratitude power, the power of gratitude. So I'm going to give you the gratitude mantra, which is thank you for everything. In today's world, we have already forgotten and taken things for so much granted that we forget to thank the basic things which we have. We forget to thank the people we have in our life, and we just go in the complaining zone, cribbing zone, and we just keep on saying that I don't have that much things, I don't have this thing, but we don't remember to pay gratitude for the things we already have. So gratitude is that kind of energy which has the highest frequency, which has the highest power. So we need to understand when we are paying gratitude to all the things that we have, the more will be given to us. So it's a quote which says that the more you appreciate the things, the more will be given to you. So we need to understand we don't have to take things for granted. We take things like water, like trees, like our earth, like everything. We are just complaining. We are never saying thank you for anything in our life. So we are going to learn the power of gratitude over here. When we are doing the healing with the help of gratitude, it shifts your energy, and now you are not in that complaining zone, and now you are on the frequency of gratitude. You are so much thankful that your body just speaks out gratitude. So we are going to do this healing together today. As mentioned by one of the participant that he is going through this health challenge, so we are going to do this particular health healing only. So you can type in the chat box that what exactly in the health you are facing the issue. I would request you to type in the chat box, and I would request other participants also to be interactive. Just don't sit in that thing that okay, I will just see what is happening in the this webinar and I will just go and test it out. No, ma'am, you have to experience it out. Once we are in the session, we have to experience it. We have to go with the energy. We have to understand. Okay. Thank you so much for sharing. I'm glad that you just said it. So, where are you joining from? Okay, thank you so much, everyone who is replying in the chat box. And there is a lot of things that are going in our bodies, in our mind. The basic problems that we are going through in our life because of these emotions that are stuck in our mind. And that is the reason whatever problem you're having in your body, it can be acidity, it can be your gas trouble, it can be constipation, it can be any pain in your body, it can be any other problem in your life. The all things you have only attracted, and you are responsible, and we are responsible for our emotions. We are not able to tackle our emotions, and that is the reason we are facing a lot of issues which are manifested in the form of disease in our body. So we need to understand that how we can manage our emotions. Managing emotions is the only thing that we need to learn in our life. If we learn that thing, emotional intelligence, if we try to understand what is emotional intelligence, we can actually tackle a lot of things in our life. So starting with this problem, that if you're having any problem in your body, what we have to do, the first process will be like this, that when we are tapping on the karate chop point, we are going to say it loud that what is the problem, and because of that problem, what are the things you're facing. So for example, I can say this thing that if I'm doing the healing for myself and I'm facing this problem of acidity, so I will be saying that because of this acidity, I'm facing a lot of problem in my life. I'm not able to do proper work. I'm not able to go office on time. I'm not able to eat properly. I'm always having a stomach ache. So whatever problems are going in your life because of that acidity, you have to speak it loud. On the first point, we are going to tell all the problems. And what after that problems you have to say, I will be telling you. I will be telling you and helping you to heal. So if you're having a problem, maybe if you're having a problem in your body that is paining, the part that is paining, so we are going the way I will be using a generalized statement. You can get it done personalized. For example, if somebody is having this tinnitus, so you can use that because this is happening in my body. What are the symptoms you are going through? What are the problems you are going through? You have to speak it loud. So let's start with the healing now. And do let me know if my voice is there because I will be playing a music in the background. So you can type in the chat box when the music is there and my voice is audible to you. Just give me a moment.
When someone uses
Do let me know if you can hear the voice. Audible? Yes, audible. My voice is also audible and the music is also audible. Thank you so much for sharing. Yes, thank you so much. So let's start with the healing now. The first point that you have to choose is the karate chop point and start telling to your own self that today, because of this body pain or acidity or any other problem, I am facing a lot of things in my life due to which I am not able to do many things in my life. I am not able to do my work properly. I am not able to focus on my work properly. You need to close your eyes and keep on tapping on that point. And try to connect with your own self. Take some deep breaths and keep tapping. And tell yourself, due to this problem, it has been many months now that I have been facing a lot of things in my life. Keep on tapping and keep on saying that now I want to come out of this problem. Hey, divine energies, please help me to come out of these problems. These problems I have only created, manifested it, and attracted it in my life. But now I want to release these problems from my life because I love myself, respect myself, and accept myself the way I am now. Keep tapping and stay connected with my voice. Go on the next point and start tapping on your head and saying that because of this problem, I am going through a lot in my life. Because of this problem, I'm not able to eat properly. Because of this problem, I'm not able to focus on my work. I'm not able to do household works. I'm not able to do my office work. This problem is actually creating a lot of reflection in my daily routine, because of which I am facing a lot of pain, and it is always on my mind, because of which I'm not able to focus on my work. But today I want to release these problems. I want to release all these things that are going on in my mind. I want to release all emotions attached to it. Hey Divine, please help me to release, because I love myself, respect myself, and accept myself the way I am now. Keep tapping. Come to the third point on your eyebrows and keep tapping and telling that because of this problem, I have gone through a lot. People have also told me that you always have this problem, and you can just keep tapping and keep repeating after me that, hey Divine, I just want to come out of this problem now. And now, just want to release this problem. Please help me, Divine, to release this problem today. Because I love myself, respect myself, and accept myself the way I am now. Come on the side of the finger, side of the eyes, keep tapping and saying, I want to release these issues today. Because I love myself, respect myself, and accept myself the way I am now. Keep tapping, keep releasing. Go on the next point and keep tapping and keep releasing. That yes, I have manifested this problem in my life, I have attracted it, but today I want to release this problem from my body. And keep tapping and saying, I love myself, accept myself, and respect myself the way I am now. Come on the point under your nose, keep tapping and saying, I accept that this was the problem attracted by my thoughts, by my emotions, but I release it now. I release all the problems from my body and I want to get healed now. Because I love myself, respect myself, and accept myself as I am now. Come on the next point and keep tapping and saying, I love myself, respect myself, and accept myself the way I am now. Go on the collarbone point, keep tapping and saying, I release, I release, I release. I heal, I heal, I heal. Because I love myself, respect myself, and accept myself the way I am now. Keep tapping, keep tapping. Go on the next point, that is your underarms, and keep tapping and saying, I release, I release, I release. I heal, I heal, I heal. Because I love myself, respect myself, and accept myself the way I am now. Go on the next underarms and keep tapping and saying, I release, I release, I release. I heal, I heal, I heal. Because I love myself, respect myself, and accept myself the way I am now. Go on the next point, that is the side of your thumb. Keep tapping and keep saying, I love myself, respect myself, and accept myself the way I am now. On the next finger, I love myself, respect myself, and accept myself the way I am now. On the next finger, I love myself, respect myself, and accept myself the way I am now. On the last finger, I love myself, respect myself, and accept myself the way I am now. On the last point, that is the karate chop point of the next hand, keep tapping and keep saying, I release, I release, I release. I heal, I heal, I heal. Thank you, Divine, for helping me to heal. Because I love myself, respect myself, and accept myself as I am now. You can feel the vibrations in your whole body and try to keep your hands on your heart. We are just shifting on the next modality, that is the Ho'oponopono prayer, and we are going to do Ho'oponopono for our health. So I am going to use the word health. You can use the problem or the word which you want to use. So keep your eyes closed and keep repeating after me that, dear health, it is because of me and my thoughts I have attracted this problem. Today, I take 100% responsibility of all the things in my body. I did not take care of my body, that is the reason it happened with me. But from today, I promise my body that I am going to take care of you. I promise you that I will have good food. I will do exercise. I will take care of you. As you have already taken care of me always, from today I will take care of you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you, and I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you, and I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you, and I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you, and I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you, and I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you, and I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you, and I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you, and I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you, and I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you, and I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you, and I love you. One last time. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you, and I love you. Feel that release of black smoke from your body, all the negativity going out, and take some deep breath with me and throw out of your mouth as if you're releasing a black smoke from your mouth. Again, take a deep breath and release from your mouth. Again, take a deep breath and release from your mouth. One last time, a deep breath and a release from your mouth. Now join your hands and we are going to do the gratitude for the things that has always helped us and that has always supported us. Close your eyes and keep repeating after me that thank you, God, thank you, universe, thank you, divine, thank you, Bhagwanji, for all the support you have given us, for all the things you have given us in our life. But it was only us who could not understand and took the things for granted. But from today, I take 100% responsibility to take care of the things. I take 100% responsibility of myself and my surroundings. And thank you so much from childhood till today's date, whatever you have sended across to me in the form of money, in the form of food, in the form of people around me. I am so thankful and grateful for everything you have given to me. Feel that gratitude in your body. Feel it that there is some energy in front of you, and that energy is just blessing you and saying that it's okay. It's okay. You are always blessed. But it was only you who was not understanding that it's that blessings you already have in your life. So just say thank you, thank you, thank you. And when you feel comfortable, you can rub your hands, put it on your eyes, and feel that relaxation in your whole body, that the pain and everything has been released from your body. And when you feel comfortable, you can open your eyes and come back to current situation. And do tell me, how are you feeling now? If you can type in the chat box, you can type in the chat box. Otherwise, you can just unmute and tell me that how are you feeling now? If there is a possibility, do unmute and tell me that how are you feeling? Yes, so Neha says she's feeling lighter emotionally. Very nice, very nice. Because you were able to do that activity which I asked you to do. You did not use your logical mind. You just surrender to the process. That is the reason you are able to feel that thing inside your body. So thank you so much everyone who has joined in, and I have an offer for you that if you would like to join in for with me for next 3 months, I have this opportunity that you can join with me in the healing sessions. If you're interested, you can just go ahead and DM me. I will be sending the link and every details with you. And thank you so much for joining in today. Have a great evening. Thank you so much.